Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for another CAD tutorial. Shout out to my subscribers and those of you who drop by to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. Today I'm just going to be doing a little experimenting because I have a whole bunch of those photo paper that comes when you buy a camera or something, and I accumulated those over the years. And even I think when you purchase a printer, I can't remember, you get all those photo paper thingies. So I'm going to just be very curious and see what happens, if I utilize it with my colors. So I would be using three stress oxide inks. One would be fossil amber, the other one will be wilted violet, and the other one will be evergreen. Oh my word, is that Bough? I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going to utilize each of those. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to just go ahead and run across this like so, because I wanted to get on there. And it's already looking like it's wanting to, kind of slide off, but that's okay. Then I am going to use the other, which is to kind of make it overlap. And then the final one will be the, whatever this one is. Okay. Well, that got a little dirty there, but I guess I can get it off later. Then I'm going to place this here. Let me just grab my Cuttlebug because I already have what I need. I'm going to go ahead and just close this. Make sure it's closed nicely. Get it on here and let's see what happens. I know it's going to be a lot of cracking going on, and I'm sure with the photo paper, it's going to, have to dry. I would imagine so. All right, let's see what happens with this. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Now, the other test would be, is it wet? And I would imagine maybe wet. So I'm just going to lightly tap. It's not too wet at all. So I think basically, if you kind of, you know, allow it to dry or what have you, you can definitely utilize it in your card making. So don't be afraid to utilize, different types of materials and things like that in your card making and see, what's different or what can add to your card making to make it unique. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Um, and we'll see where that goes from there. So thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys next week.